All right, let's see what we got going on today. The AI Empire is your all in one business solution. We are doing a weekend launch. We need to get that checkout code up on there so you guys know what it is. Let's go. Let's get that in there. Make sure you guys can know the checkout code. It is auto. You lock it in for life. 50% off for life. Checkout code auto. And what we're doing today is the launch party. So let's see if we can do some live sales, baby. The goal of today is to get a new product launched, and I'm going to be doing just kind of some tours, some tutorials, some outreach, some live stream. We're just moving and shaking today. All right, we are not wasting time. We are going to work today. I'll make sure that checkout code's on there for you. So that way you guys have the, let's just get rid of this. We're just going to put it right down the middle. Checkout code auto, 50% off, weekend sale. The AI Empire is your all-in-one business optimization platform. Do more with less. You have calendars, you have conversations, email marketing, AI assistants. Integrate with all or the main payment providers: QuickBooks, Stripe, PayPal. Create automations for your business so you can do more with less. That is the main battle these days, is how do businesses grow past a certain point if you have all the work you can handle, but you don't necessarily want to put on somebody, and the training, the time, the money. It's going to be something where you got to use some software. You got to use something a little different. So let's see, slot in. Webcam capture. Okay, cool there. Boom, 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 boom. Which one are you? Boom, boom, boom. All right, launch party sale. So we got one cookie. My baby. My cookie girl. Checkout code. There we go. Let's get that in there so you guys can see it. Checkout code auto, 50% off, weekend launch. Should I swap those? I should probably swap those, huh? So the checkout code is up top. Let's see. Geeks. Lay down. Settings. Done. Alright, let's see how that works. Let's just check into the live stream there and then we can get it going. Just want to make sure all the channels are working. Alright, let's see how that works. Cool. That is live action. We are doing a weekend sale. We're going to try and push some traffic And what the AI Empires is, it's an all-in-one business management platform. You have conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation. You can create your website, your funnel. You can migrate your old existing website into this with just some DNS record transfers. Media storage, you have reputation management on Google My Business. It has everything you need, and you can all live in one place. The best part about it is the AI, the conversational AI, has also been doing very well booking appointments for businesses. For Iron Forge Commercial Repair, you're looking at, potentially a $30,000 increase in revenue just by having AI able to respond to customers, get an estimate, book appointments while you and the crew are out working. So that's something that AI has been very beneficial in, and that is booking appointments. And it is a full business management platform. You get instant access when you sign up. But you want to make sure you book a 30-minute onboarding call with me. That way we can go over the conversational AI. If you want a new phone number, if you want to hook up, a new email, just to do your marketing stuff. You can also get a business phone number that's A2P compliant, so you can send your users or customers or patients, for doctors, dentists. You can send them appointment reminders. You can basically automate a lot of your manual processes to save time. And that is the most important part of the AI Empires. It's like, how can you do more with less? Well, AI is effective where you need it to be. You just gotta get it there, right? Like, that's the main deal there. Let's see. Whatever. Let's send that out and see how we do. 50% off. I'm live on Instagram and YouTube. Full screen on YouTube for any demonstration purposes or anything you guys want to see. Head on over to YouTube and check it out. We will jump into the conversations, or should we go into marketing? Let's go into marketing so you guys can see that. Live scene. There we go. Checkout code auto. I need to get a full one for that. So you can see that it is a checkout code. It just says checkout code auto. It doesn't say what the discount is, which is important to have in your information. And if you guys have a question or if you want to see a demonstration, make sure and drop it in the comments and I can show you live on YouTube how it works. That is the gold of it. You can check out code auto. Okay, line you up. Command C, Command V. Gotta love that copy paste. 80% off launch sale. 80. So if you want to see part of the AI Empires as a demo or ask some questions about why it would be effective for your business, make sure and drop it in the comments and I can get it taken care of. That is the best part about live streaming or doing anything like that. I mean, you can essentially just demonstrate it live. Like, it doesn't need to be this crazy big process. Just, hey, what does this do? How does it work? How's it going to benefit my business? What can it do? Show me some examples. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. So keep that in mind. Let's go page 11, done download. And have a question. Drop it in the chat. Boom, locked in. Make sure this is live streaming on. What is this? All right. Juicy G, he saw it. Juicy, if you're seeing this live, buddy, you better comment on it and tell me about it. Juicy G. Is that the Juice Man? Is the Juice Man? Gary. Make sure if you guys do see this and you are from Castle Rock, Colorado, you go down and see Mr. Gary Faircloth at Pro Tech Castle Rock. He's going to take care of you. He's going to get you taken care of. Just the absolute man for computers, cell phones, tablets, anything you need fixed that has technology. Gary is your man. Custom computers. He can do large scale orders for businesses. He can do it all. That Juicy G. Just an absolute dude. Very, very big heart on that Juicy G. Transform, fit the screen. Juicy G. There we go. Get that out of the way. Boom. Yahtzee. All right, now we roll it. If you guys have any questions, I can put that in. I need to put that in the comments so people can check it out if they have a question. All-in-one business solution. All-in-one business solution. Do more with less. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's see what we got here. Campaign success. We got some email campaigns rolling. We have some automations rolling. If you go to Instagram or Facebook, there is some automations rolling there as well, so you can check those out. See how we're doing here. See how we're doing. Cool. Looks like we are down the middle there, and now it's just time to really go out and do some we're gonna make some posts, right? So let's do our social media videos for the day while we're live streaming to optimize this process, and then I can show people, you know, how to post it onto Facebook. Because really, I mean, what is AI and automation going to be beneficial for business? It has to help you do more with less. So, yeah, there's Juicy G. He commented. I gotta go check out Gary real quick. I don't know if he's still here. Juice! How are you, sir? Thanks for the comment. On my on the new product drop, so it's the AIempires.com. There is an AI chat that can book appointments. It responds to people on Insta, Facebook, text messaging. I have a phone number for the business now, so if anybody calls and I miss that call, the AI responds. So it's almost like, you know, we were talking about, you got to have AI do something for you. I appreciate your comment, man. I hope you're having a good snowy day today. Mr. Will is he's a little tired from snow plowing, understandably. But yeah, man, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're watching some football today or having some fun. Juicy G. Juicy G. Alright. But check this out, Juice. We got to make a few social media posts. So I'm going to do that while live streaming. And then within the social planner of the AI Empires, you can just post your videos to all of your platforms. No problem. Check it out. This is where you can post it all to. Social accounts. You can post to your Google business profile, your Facebook page, Instagram page. You can post to your LinkedIn page, your LinkedIn profile, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts all in one, which makes marketing so much more efficient. I mean, you got to make social media posts every day, right? Regardless if you're getting 10 million views, 200 views, 20 views, it doesn't matter. You still have to make those posts. But how do you do that efficiently, cost effective for your business? Well, you just make 3 posts, go to the AI Empires, post it to all of your platforms, and you're done. I can get 3 pretty good social media posts out there in no time just by live streaming. And to do that, let's do a little demo. So what I'm going to do is, if you're watching this on Facebook, it's going to be a little different than seeing it on YouTube, but on Facebook, it's got the vertical layout, so it's going to start maybe there, and then we go there. Ooh, maybe we switch those up. I don't know. Or we just start there. I have to have... So the one thing I do need to put on this, because you have to have your layouts kind of the same. Now what you're going to see on Facebook isn't going to be the actual post. That's going to be more dictated from YouTube. So if you check out the full screen on YouTube, that's where you'll see how this whole post will get made. But basically, it's just a couple different scene setups where you set it up on your live stream. Let's see, background. I need to add a source here. We need to add that image in there for the weekend launch sale. Checkout code. Okay, 50% auto. So now we gotta go transform that and fit it to the screen. Okay, checkout code auto. So I need to make you a little smaller, but that's okay because we're just doing this for a social media post. And we gotta drag this in. And check our layout real quick, and then we can make a post. So we go boom. Boom, boom. So I need to do the 50% off weekend launch one. All right. Juicy G. 50% off. There we go. Done. Now, if you're looking at this on YouTube, it's gonna be a little bit of a transition of just kind of bringing people in, right? So just boom, 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 and then you go down here. So all we gotta do is a quick 3-post ordeal of, hey, this is how you use it. All right, this is how you make it effective. So let's go to work. 1, 2, okay. I wonder if I should put that other one on there too. Yeah, probably. Let's do a fucking 3-stack today. We're going big today. We're going large today. Because why wouldn't you? You know what I'm saying, Juice? Juicy G doesn't do layups. He would be like, yep, go for it, amigo. Send it. See what's over here. Juicy G don't play. Say hi, ask a question. All right, so let's unlock you, bring you back over. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I apologize for the scene switches, but we got to get it all set up. Check out Code Auto. Boom. Now we're going to unlock you. Check out Code Auto. Done. So let's see how that looks. Boom. So it's got to be a little bigger. Then what you can do is if you make both your scene transitions the same, you're going to be able to stack them. So that's a little big on that one. And then you can make some pretty professional looking posts, which is cool. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 needs to be a little bigger. Oh. 1, 2. I think we're golden. Okay. So my dog's being a goof. Cookie. Cookie. That's my shirt. That's my sweatshirt. Cookie. Cookie. What are you doing? You a little feisty because you went out in the snow? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Yeah, Juicy G commented. I love it. Love that Juicy G commented. That is so badass. But I need to make this post in the Colorado Small Business Network group. So I got to make some posts about it, right? You got to make posts. All right, let's see how we do here. 50% off launch party. Let's roll. All right, we need to do social media posts. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I am in Streamlabs Desktop Ultra. What you want to do here is you want to set up your scenes to have a quick transition on your 2-second hook. That way you give people that visual, right? So if you're watching on YouTube, what you're going to see is just the increase in size of just myself. So smaller, bigger. Like bring people into that scene when you come into it. That way it has that visual hook when you're doing it. Now, in the educational part of the membership area of the AI Empires, I'm going to be doing some videos on how to really customize your stream, how to do all that stuff. But for today, I mean, we got to keep it, you know, there's going to be some entry level stuff, and a majority of the tutorials in there right now are kind of like how to set up the AI Empires, how to use it. But for this, we just got to go bing, boom, and we got to get a social media post. So all you do, get your scene set up, and then you're going to hit record, do a quick hook. So you just say 50% off sale, do more with less, you know, and then switch scenes. My puppy's being crazy. She needs to play a little bit. Cookie, come here. You want to play? Bring it here. Cookie. Come here. Come here, boo. Come here. Come here. What are you doing, you goof? You like that hanger? Stop eating my hoodie, bruh. Cookie. Oh, whatever. Here we go. Let's get this done. Alright, so we got to make sure that's in line. So this will be the entirety of making like a reel, sending it to all my platforms. Let's just wait. We'll wait till 4:35 when it changes, and we will test the total time on how to make, how many posts I can make, or just making one post, how long it's going to take me to all the platforms by live streaming. So let's get it going. So we gotta wait for it to change. Make sure you get that, that radio voice going, that good radio voice. 434, waiting for that switch. All right, it switched over to 435, so here we go. Let's see how long it takes to make a post to all of my platforms. 50% off launch sale. When you launch a business, do a sale, make it aggressive, and provide value. The AI Empires is an all-in-one business management solution that's going to allow you to do more with less. Use AI to book appointments, manage calendars, manage marketing, text, email. Do more with less. If you're a small business looking to get to that next level of growth, use the AI Empires, do more with less, and let's organize and optimize your life. Okay, there's my recording. So now I'm going to go into recordings. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go clip that in Streamlabs Crossclip. And I'm going to have my social media post, hopefully, to all of my platforms within a couple minutes, which is one huge advantage of being able to have a platform like that, is it's going to post to all your social media channels from one place. I mean, that alone is going to be a huge time saver. You can consolidate a majority of your software programs you're using. I mean, it integrates with... Yeah, she's out there playing in the snow. How did you get all wet? Were you rolling in the snow? But it consolidates all of your platforms so you can use, essentially less stuff. It integrates with PayPal. It integrates with Stripe. Anything, all the main ones. So let's add another section here. Add a region. We're going to go portrait, landscape. Landscape. Maybe I gotta put that up a little higher. We're doing a little bit of fancy schmancy stuff today. We're getting extra fancy on it. Extra fancy on today's post, ladies and gents. We're getting juicy. Juicy G would be proud. Juicy G would be proud of this presentation. I know he would be. Because he's juicy. All right. I'm going to turn on a little volume real quick so I can hear it. Business 50% off. 50% off launch sale. When you launch a business, do a sale, make it aggressive, and provide value. The AI Empires is an all-in-one business management solution that's going to allow you to do more with less. Use AI to book appointments, manage calendars, manage marketing, small business looking to get that next level of growth, use the AI empires, do more with less, and let's organize and optimize your life. All right, I'm going to try and do one more layout switch just to make sure. We're making it look pretty, Juice. Making it look pretty. Okay. See how that looks. That's a little excessive, but it's okay. 50% off launch sale. When you launch a business, do a sale, make it aggressive, and provide value. The AI Empires is an all-in-one business management solution that's going to allow you to do more with less. Use AI to book appointments, manage calendars, manage marketing, text, email. Do more with less. If you're a small business looking to get that next level of growth, use the AI Empires, do more with less, and let's organize and optimize your life. 50% cool. Launch sale. We got one. 50% off weekend launch sale. Lock in your price for life. All right, we got that all spinning up. Check my comments. So I know Juicy was there earlier. I don't know if he's still around, but thanks, Juice. You the man, bud. There we go. Juicy G. All right, weekend launch. Now we can get that posted, and then I can go talk to some people. Go say, hey, come check this out. Live streaming on YouTube. Come take a look. All right, so now that I got that downloaded, let's go in to check out how I'm going to make that post. So I just filmed that post live streaming on Streamlabs Desktop Ultra. So I'm going to come in here and go to new post, create a new post. And what I'm going to do is select my social accounts. So we're going to go here, drop that off, and we're going to go 50% off, launch, sale. Oh, let's go weekend sale. Small business platform. Do more with less. The AI Empires. We're going to add our hashtag. The AI Empires. Boom. Now I'm going to upload that video I just took while live streaming. So we're going to upload a file here. And what's nice about the AI Empires too is it's not only going to manage your marketing, your conversations. You can tie into QuickBooks, Stripe, PayPal. You can use all of those. And then also what's nice about it is you can send estimates, you can send invoices, you can handle all of your payments from inside there as well, which is one of the things that I was focused on, because I mean, mainly in business, right? Like you're going to create an opportunity, you're going to make a sale. Like that's step one. Like how do you handle customer service? And then can you make sales? Like, yes, that's part of the deal. Like you can use social media marketing, you can use email marketing, DMs, text, phone calls, absolutely. But the main meat and potatoes of it is going to be, all right, can I use this to make sales for my customers? And how does it improve customer service? One of the ways it's doing that is I've put together a conversational AI that has helped Ironforge Commercial Repair talk to customers about getting snowplow estimates, which if you get a couple snowplows sold and, you know, they offer some other products, that's going to be roughly, you know, 20 to 30 grand swing in revenue, depending on the model or what they select. If, you know, somebody purchases a snowplow, imagine bringing in 30 10K more revenue to your business just because you have an AI agent to ask people those questions. And it can talk to them on Facebook, your Facebook page, Instagram if they comment on your post, or if they send you a DM. It also works in Instagram. So, Instagram, Facebook page, text, email, live chat. So if you go to the AIempires.com, it can also talk to you there. So let's post this up and see how that looks. All right, let's make that post. Cool. So we got that done. So now, like, how are we gonna save some time? How are we gonna do all that? Well, we got our one post out of the way, and it's going to Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. It's going to my pages. It's going everywhere. You want to consolidate what you have to do. So let's check into now. All right, so if I have that done, what's the important thing? So let's just go to my website, theaiempires.com, and we can check out the feature here and what's going on. So let that catch up. Okay. So now what we can take a look at is if we're looking down here in the bottom right-hand corner, this is my AI assistant I've made for the AI Empires. Her name is Faith. So when you open that up, it says, welcome to the AI Empires, Faith here. How can I assist you today? I'll say, hey, what is the, don't need to capital it, AI Empires. Let's see what she says back. All right, let's take a look at how this works. Comprehensive business optimization platform. Nice. Can I use it? And you want to train your AI on essentially what you do. And this is an appointment booking agent. So, okay, so let's see. I want to show you how to book an appointment. So can I book a demo call? Now with the AI Empires, the minute you sign up and press pay, you can use the entire platform, start setting it up. But what it's going to do, so the demo call is essentially built to say, hey, do you want to engage your conversational AI? Do you want to purchase a new phone number, make it A2P compliant so you can text your customers? Do you want to use it for a phone number? What do you want to do for emails? So that's what the demo call is really for. There is also a full educational library. Let's see, tell me your name, good phone number, Jack Amadei. And let's go with the business number. I believe let's just go. It's for a demo. 4242, and then Jack at theaiempires.com. Let's see what she does here. Marketing. So this is completely AI. I mean, this is my platform that's the AI is responding to. How does your schedule look Monday? And it's tied into my calendar, so she'll be able to see the times available. Let's go 5 p.m. please. And I'll open up some more times, but this was really for a demo. And then sometimes on Mondays, I don't know if I'm going to be available early in the morning just because. Let's go. Can we do 6 p.m. on Monday? Let's go test this out. Okay, so you're all set for a demo call at 6 p.m. on Monday, November 11th. Look forward to connecting with you. All right, so now, did that actually work? Let's go check. That is the important thing that we need to go see. So if I go into my calendars here and I check that out, let's check out Monday the 11th and there is my appointment. That is fucking cool. Wow. That is so cool. So it's gonna book that appointment for me, and then I mean you're pretty much set up ready to go. So the whole deal is you go out and you do the initial engage, right? And then you let your AI talk to people. Jeez, that is so cool. So here's the conversation too. So you have a human in the loop. That way, when a conversation comes in, you can monitor it, you can check it, and you can reference all of it, which is one of the more amazing features. So let's go into my calendar. I want to change that demo call. Actually, I need to check which calendar my AI is going off of here. So let's edit this. Appointment booking calendar. That is so badass. I mean, booking an appointment with AI, stop it. Demo call. Okay. Just going to calendars. That is on the demo call section, which is so cool. Man, that's awesome. Let's go into availability here. We'll change that. 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Don't need to look busy. That's just chicken shit. Date range, max bookings per day. We're going to go 5 maybe. 30-minute, 5. Pre-post, 15. Yeah, that'll probably work good. Might be excessive just because I got to do some live streams and some tutorials, but put in your Pixel ID. So save that. Let's go into notifications, make sure it's sending those out. Notifications. All right. email. So email in-app. Perfect. So it's also going to send you notifications. Hey, we booked an appointment. Check this out. You're going to know about it. You can send them to your team. You can use it for yourself personally. You can do really whatever you want with it. So that is badass. That is fucking cool. Wow. Let's see if we can recognize those hours now. So let's go back to the AI empires. Hey, Faith, I wonder, do you have any morning appointments for a demo call on Monday, the 11th? Let's see what this says, because I should have those morning hours open now. So let's see if it updated or if I got to refresh. What about the 12th? Unless I have my times wrong. You have times in the morning. Then. That is so awesome. Okay, just stop it. Just get out of here. That's Iron Forge. That was the one that that's our first client that I was initially like, hell yeah, that is so badass. Because in the Iron Forge, it's like those boys are out, they're out snow plowing. They're out busy. So it's like when you're running a shop, it's like, all right, we're out snow plowing. They don't like technology anyway. But it's like, how can it monitor that, or how can it assist them? So now it's set up to where if somebody wants to schedule a repair appointment or get a snowplow estimate, their AI can take care of that and handle it for them, which is going to save them so much time. But that is badass. So let's go into calendars and check that out. Make sure I got that locked in there. That is so cool. Maybe I have to change my lead time for booking calls. Demo call. Huh, was I in the wrong one? Availability, 8 a.m. No, I don't care about looking busy. Date range. Pre-post. Connections, customization. Okay, so that should be good on availability. Recurring. Right on, right on. So that is essentially, I mean, live action. You've seen it work. Live demo of how to book a meeting using AI. So cool. Wheeler. Wheels. That is so badass. All right, let's go in and I'm going to take out those appointments and see how quickly it can adjust that. So let's just see right now. So I'm going to delete that one, delete it. And let's see, I mean, I said Monday, so I had one at 5 and one at 6. So let's delete these and just try it again and see how it works. See if it's going to work for booking on. So let's just refresh this page. Let's see how quickly Faith can recognize those changes. So let's go, hello. This is where AI has been the most effective, is like customer service, booking appointments. Can we actually look at Monday, November 11th? What times are available in the afternoon? Let's see how quickly she can recognize this. I mean, this is all training too, so. No, I'd like to book an appointment on Monday. What times do you have available? And this is going to be a good test too, because you want to know how long it takes your AI to train. And really, realistically, I mean, normally it takes like 24 hours. That's crazy. Do you have 5 p.m. open on Monday? Usually it takes about 24 hours to effectively like train an AI, make those changes, reset the system, and this changes quicker than. Okay, so that's still booked up. Let's see, let's try. Can we do 1 p.m.? What I'm gonna have to do too is say, all right, ask these questions one by one, so they're not saying, all right, what's your name, phone, email, all in one. And it remembers my name and all that stuff. So let's see if that is fucking cool. Because if you have conversational history where it's gonna remember that, like that is fucking badass. Loading, still loading, still loading. Let's go Monday. Let's go check out Monday. See if it booked it. 1 p.m. Holy cow. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. AI is fucking awesome. I mean, he's gonna book appointments for me. That is fucking cool. How do you not love that? I mean, come on. That is just built different, ladies and gents. I mean, just did it. Wow. Alright, I gotta take a quick leak, but I will be right back. All right, we are back in action. The AI Empires has booked an appointment for me. My AI is booking my appointments today, which is the coolest shit. I mean, what else do you need? That's why the AI Empires is really essentially going to be effective for small businesses, is because it's going to take care of those things that you need. Now, you got to go in and, yes, you can build the custom automations. Wow. Or I can build them for you. That is the other thing that I do is it's, hey, you want to integrate your website? You want to bring your website over? Do you need these automations set up? Because that is also something that I do. So if you need your AI and automations all set up, that is a service that I offer for people during that 30-minute demo call. So if you need your AI and automation set up, you can have that. So I need to make a post in here. So let's go, hey, Colorado. Do more with less. Having a weekend launch sale. 50% off for life. The AI Empires is an all-in one business management platform to organize and optimize your, I don't need that, all-in-one business platform just booked and check it out today. Book a demo call with Faith. Our AI assistant. Check it out. Full screen. Live on YouTube. Get that fucking URL. Boom. refresh YouTube too. Refresh. Yahtzee. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Let's go. That was fucking awesome. I'm so glad that worked. AI can book appointments for me. It's unbelievable. Alright, so now that we got that kind of dialed in, let's make another post. Alright, so what we're going to do, stop recording there, and we're going to make another post, get this social media done for the day. You know, let's see how quick we can do this. Can your AI book appointments? Mine can. The AI Empires is a small business platform with an all-in-one solution where you can also train AI to book appointments for you. Get started today at theaiempires.com and let's organize and optimize your life. All right, that was fucking badass. I'm so glad that worked. I mean, my AI can literally book appointments for people. Like, that's how you're going to make AI effective in your business, is you're going to be able to use it to do things. So book appointments, you know, give your customers information, respond on all channels so you can do your job, and then it keeps a human in the loop so you're ready to rock and roll. So we need to go here. appointments? Can you can your AI book appointments? Mine can. The AI Empires is a small business platform with an all-in-one solution where you can also train AI to book appointments for you. Get started today at theAIempires.com. Let's organize and optimize your life. Optimize your life. Can your AI book appointments? Mine can. The AI Empires is a small business platform with an all-in-one solution where you can also train AI to book appointments for you. Get started today at theAIempires.com. Let's organize and optimize your life. Can your AI book appointments? Mine can. The AI Empires is a small business platform with an all-in-one solution where you can also train AI to book appointments for you. Get started today at theAIempires.com. Let's organize and optimize your life. Cool. Let's see what that looks like. The AI Empires is a small business platform. Let's see what that looks like. All-in-one solution. I mean, that's just crazy that you can use AI to book appointments now for your business. And it works. Like, prove it live. That's the number one thing I like to tell people now is prove it live. If you have a product or if you're selling something, like, you're going to have to start proving things live. And that's just going to be the standard going forward is you need to prove stuff live. If you can't do it live, you probably can't do it anyway. And that is just the way the cookie crumbles. That's going to be the difference maker between business growth going forward and not going forward. Because you're going to have to do more with less, right? So if you need to hit that next level of growth, but you can't really justify, all right, we can either pull the lever to increase pricing or we can, add some new employees. But if you just want to grow your business by optimizing some processes, well, how are you going to do that? Well, use a software solution where everything lives in one place. Use AI, use automation. That is going to be the biggest game changer. Let's go. We got to go create a post. Ooh, not book an appointment. What are we doing here? Let's go into my marketing section and make that post that I just did on the live stream. 4:45. Let's go 6. Create new post. We're going to go to all the accounts. We're not going to go to business profile in Google. AI. Appointment booking. Get started today. theAIempires.com. So we need to go hashtags. AI Empires. Automation. AI. All right, let's see. We're going to add some media. So we got to add that video we just did. Did I not download it? Let's upload that file. Let's see. AI for appointment booking. How cool is that? And it recognizes the calendar times too, which is awesome. Gotta love that. We're going to go into advanced options here. Select a category, AI and automation. Bing, 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 bing. Get that title. Yahtzee. And just for everybody out there, if you're wondering, this is exactly how I do training. This is exactly how I teach. It's just live streaming. It makes it easier. I don't have much of a filter, so I hope that doesn't offend anybody. But, you know, there's some words that we're going to use that might ruffle some feathers during training. But you know what? You're going to be okay. Trump won, so we're going to be just fine. Let's go. What time are we going? 6 p.m. 6:00. Schedule that. And then what I want to do is I'm going to try and get some. I'm going to get some AI, essentially, for lack of a better term, pitches rolling on my live stream. So then, while I'm actually working or while I'm sending messages or emails or doing prospecting, there's going to have that audio going in the background that says, hey, this is the AI Empires. It can do that qualification speech. It can talk about the marketing, the conversations, the appointment booking, opportunities, payments. Like, to be able to talk about all those features, I mean, I might as well have AI do that too, use that in the automations, and then anytime I switch a scene in my stream, it'll just fire up the next speech, so on and so forth. So the biggest thing, and I teach this inside of the membership area of the AI Empire. So this is what I've been adding recently. I'm bringing my school community over to the AI Empires. So shoot, let's just go to it. portal.theaiempires.com. So there's going to be the educational community in there as well. Because it's one thing if I know how to do all this, but it's another thing to be like, all right, well, what are you using? Like, how can you learn to do this? Because people need to make this effective for them. And it's going to save them a lot of time and money. So let's go course. So there's going to be essentially all the courses that I've been bringing in here from my school community, because it's like it didn't make any sense to have a separate community. You know, if I can go into, there we go. This is going to be the educational community that you get access to when you join the AI communities. It's going to help you get everything set up. You know, what is it? Book an onboarding call. What's next? Let's see what we got on our courses here. The Empire setup. So this will help you get everything set up. You know, the welcome, navigate to the AI Empires. If you want a phone number, if you want to make that A2P compliant, hook up your integrations like Facebook, Insta, calendars, Stripe, PayPal, custom values and custom fields. Very important to do that first so you're not running automations with my name. It's going to have a snapshot so you can have all of my automations already done for you. You just got to change a few things. And this is the biggest thing on creating your AI is the FAQ document. What do you do? Answer. What's the value? Answer. What is your office times? Answer. The more you work with your AI and train your assistant, the better it's going to be. The best way to do that is just a question and answer. You know, what do you do? What are the benefits? What are the values? And that way your AI can go learn on its own and really get things going. What's next? Let's see where we went into. I think on the lessons, I'm into, feature 3 setup. And some of these videos are going to be a little older, but I did them for my school community when it was just the community. But then when it's like, well, the AI Empires, you can have the whole educational community as well. You just got to set it up, and then, so, you know, you can check out your calendars, contacts. It just made sense to consolidate everything into one place instead of having 10 different things, you know. And you can come in, you can make posts. This is what I want to be kind of like the growing community, to where if you have a question, hey, post it in here. You know, video tutorial request. Let me know what you see. So request tutorials here. If there need a video tutorial, drop a comment here and we'll Get on it. You can add GIFs, obviously images. You can do YouTube videos, different videos, links, add detachments, emojis. Okay, so we're going to publish that there. Now, I have a couple of members from my school community that came over, Old Alaska and Theodore. So now we can go into the learning side, members, check those boys out, met them in school, create events. So what I'm going to start to do here is put in, my calendar. Hey, this is what I'm going to do today. Maybe Facebook page, Instagram page, etc. Do those live leaderboards and the about page. So this is what I need to get organized on there. So I need to put some info on that about page. Maybe do like an intro video. But the whole goal of today is to really show people, all right, what is the AI Empires? How does it work? I mean, how is it going to be beneficial for people? So my chat has ended. That was with myself, but it booked the appointment. Like my AI booked an appointment for my business. It responded correctly. It did everything it needed to do. And we'll go check out that calendar. So I booked it on the 11th at 1 p.m. And that was my AI assistant that booked that meeting. It's going to get name, phone, and email. That is the minimum it can get. And the cool thing was I came back to change that time on a separate conversation, and it remembered, let's go into marketing. It remembered my conversation from previously, like that it was me. Now, the automations is some of the coolest stuff that is inside of this. I don't want that one. Get out of there. And these are what you're going to get when you sign up for the AI Empires. We'll import this snapshot into your account. It is a white label platform. What that means is you can put your branding on it. So if you're a doctor's office, a dental office, lawyer, accountant, coach, consultant, business consultant, sales, marketing, you can use all of these features branded as your own. So let's say you want to, or you're a mechanic, you're Iron Forge commercial repair. You can build all of these specific to your business. It's branded for you. You can have your employees also participate with it. You're going to have everything you need in an all-in-one solution. And that is really how you're going to do more with less. Like, if you're going to do more with less, you need to use those solutions to do it. And that's really what's going to separate it from anything else. Is how do I use it to be more effective? How do I use it to make more money? That is where it all comes in. And honestly, when you sign up for the AI Empires, you can start using it today. Like your account will be auto-created. You'll get access to the AI Empires, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. It's going to look exactly like this. You can create your own membership site. So if you want to generate your community just like school, not only do you have a full business management dashboard, but you can also monetize your whole community. So it's the best of both worlds. I mean, it literally has everything you need. Customer conversations, schedule appointments, all of your contacts. The opportunities is a Kanban board for sales where it's like, all right, what opportunities do I have coming in? Am I doing any prospecting? And you can set up different pipelines to monitor that entire process. So if I'm going to do a prospecting pipeline, well, let's go look at what that might look like. Pipelines. So there we go. There's an example of it. New client, onboarding call booked, attended, complete. So you can keep track of that, but like a sales pipeline for your sales team, prospects, first outreach, second outreach, third outreach. Let's see if we got some more fields in here. We should. So email drip, new leads, audit claimed, audit review booked, and you can change these fields to whatever you need for your specific situation. Let's see, manage fields, was that in there? Other details. I mean, you can put in as much stuff as you want. So probably contact, email, phone, apply, confirm. And in your pipelines, you come over here. We'll go sales pipeline, you edit that. So you can edit what stages are needed in your CRM. So this is great for sales. I mean, be honest with sales, like there's some heavyweight CRMs out there, and it's like, why do you need all of that bullshit? You don't. You just need a Kanban board where it's like, all right, boom, boom, boom. This is my outreach. This is my prospecting. This is what I got going on. Stick and move. Like, you don't need a ton of shit. Bulk actions. Let's see what we got there. So I haven't taken any bulk actions as far as sending any pipeline stuff. Payments. This is a cool deal. So you can also you can integrate it with Stripe, PayPal, all that good stuff, and you can, send invoices. You can create estimates, recurring invoices. Add your documents and contracts. There's some templates, orders, abandoned checkouts, subscriptions, payment links. You can text people a payment link so they can pay you. Make it easy for your customers. You can add your products in here. You can create anything you want. And the AI Empires today is on a 50% discount, which means you'll get that 50% discount for life. Checkout code auto. But you'll get it for life. So if you lock it in this weekend, you're good to go for life. Right there. 50% off. Let's just see. Make sure. Discount code auto. There it is. The apply to recurring future payments if applicable. It is selected. You will receive this 50% discount for life on an all-in-one business management platform that is AI and automation powered. So if you're an individual entrepreneur and you sign up today, this weekend, you're going to get 50% off, which means it's going to be about $100 a month, and you manage your entire business from here. Marketing, automation, websites. Think about how much or how many different software programs you can consolidate, you can get rid of. How much are you paying for different subscriptions you're not even using? That is the biggest thing. It's like if you're paying for something you're not using, use this entire dashboard. You can hook it up. Let's go check out the integrations too, because that is what's important as well. So on your integration side of things, you're going to hook it up to your Google Calendar. You can do Outlook calendars, Google My Business Profile. The first thing people do when they go to a new business is they Google it. Manage your reputation. You can hook up your Facebook page and your Instagram account. You can hook up QuickBooks if you're using QuickBooks. I have my Stripe. I use Stripe, PayPal. I don't have a QuickBooks, but I have Stripe hooked up. You can create a Shopify store. So if you want to do some drop shipping or create some merch, you can do that with Printful. That is a very effective way to do it. I do have a full tutorial. It took me about 45 minutes inside of school that I'll bring over. But I made a full dropshipping website in 45 minutes. You just got to know how to connect the dots with some of these things. I got my LinkedIn connected, TikTok. I don't have Shippo or Woo. I'm not shipping anything. And Woo, what is this? Import customer orders, WooCommerce. So I think that's kind of like an e-commerce dropshipping platform as well, but I'm not shipping any merch. Slack, if your business uses that for communication, fantastic. But yeah, you can literally hook up everything you need. You have the ability to go third party. If you have some programmers, you can do third party integrations. Conversation providers. Let's check this out. So I didn't add any here because you can add these private integrations with a third party API, no problem. Brand boards, domains. You can bring over your website or you can leave it as is. It's up to you. But I would suggest bringing it over. That way everything can live in one place. Here is the kind of website view of everything where you can create unlimited funnels, websites. You can create a store, right? Plan webinars. Check out some analytics. We got here page views. Ooh, we are doing good today. And those are actually fairly real time, which is badass. Blogs, important to do. I'm going to make sure and get that blog up and rolling tonight. WordPress, if you're using, let's see, WordPress hosting. So if you do have a WordPress site that's up and rolling, you can light it up there. Dashboard settings, client portal. So that's where your educational community is going to be. Build forms, because that is one of the best features. You can literally just have people input a little bit of information, send it to your AI. Life is good. Surveys for feedback, quizzes. What would I need a quiz for? Let's go check this out. What is a quiz here? So I don't think anybody's going to want to take a quiz unless it's like fun, Gotta make it fun. result template. Oh, okay, so that's pretty badass. If you want to give like certifications in your community, for example, you could do quizzes and say, hey, this person passed it, you know, they're certified, they're good to go. Very good for training. I like that. Chat widget, QRL, and redirects. I mean, there's nothing more frustrating than having to go to different places, do all this, do all that. Consolidate into one platform as a business so you're ready to go. And your home dashboard, I mean, you're going to have everything there. Kind of just an overview of what's going on. Add tasks in, actions. So this is a fairly new dashboard, but it's not reflecting Wild Wheel. I ran an ad. Maybe I should run an ad. Let's go payments. Yeah, I mean, seriously, you can do everything you want from this thing. It is crazy. That is just built different. All right, so I got to take a quick break. I got to see if I can FaceTime my kids, but then I will be back. So, 50%.